right?
Yeah, good stuff though, I'll tell you. And I was
Yeah.
really impressed with Jamal's shaker skills.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was saying he's a
Yeah,
mixologist.
he's a
Yeah,
pro.
he went to
is.
school or something
A lot of
for
skill.
that. Yeah.
Oh, let's talk weather right here, Kelly. And we're talking about the possibility of a snow event coming up later in the week. How much time do we have before that happens?
Yeah, well, we've got the rest of today. Right now, we are seeing some clouds filtering on in out towards areas of the coast, a little more gray out there, some early morning sunshine. So on the way in is our next weather system that'll bring us a chance for some winter weather as we head into Thursday night and Friday. Currently, though, we're sitting in the low 40s. We still have a calm Wednesday on tap, so do enjoy it. We'll see a mix of clouds funneling into Portland, too, with a cloudy finish tonight. Temperatures topping off in the mid-40s today. We'll be back in the mid-30s overnight. So again, still some high pressure across the Pacific Northwest, but our next weather system is on the way in. It's brewing offshore and will push in a chance for some moisture and some winter weather as we head into the end of the week. Let's take a look back at previous February snow totals over the last 6 to 7 years here. Last year, we did see a trace amount of snow in Portland. I believe that was on the 3rd of February last year. The last couple of years through 2019 and 2018, we saw over 6 inches of snow. And interestingly enough, that's about my forecast for what we could see on Friday. So a chance that we see a good amount of snowfall as we work into the end of the work week here, now looking more and more likely as we head towards Friday. Again, it all starts with that breezy east wind. Tomorrow is going to be a windy day, especially out on the east sides of Portland and also out towards the west end of the gorge. Those east winds are what is carrying that cold air, priming the region for snow to stick here as we head towards our Thursday night, likely more so on Friday. Again, these gusty winds may be up to about 30, even 45 miles per hour through Friday afternoon and will continue through Friday even into Saturday. So again, we are funneling in that very chilly air from the east sides of the state. And that's going to allow a chance for some snowfall. So let's talk about the moisture working on in. Here's our rainfall futurecast. Today staying dry. Overnight, a chance we see some light scattered rain showers towards the coast. It's likely around Friday morning or so we'll start to see moisture working in. So far, it still looks like just rainfall at this point. Any snow showers we see early tomorrow morning, that's not the event that we're talking about. Much of this action starts to arrive here heading into Thursday afternoon. You could see a winter mix, mostly of freezing rain for areas of Portland and further down towards Wilsonville out to Tualatin, again, areas of southwest Portland. The best chance to see some freezing rain as we head towards our afternoon tomorrow. Going into the morning on Friday, anytime around the evening Thursday, early morning Friday, maybe around midnight, we start to transition to snowfall, and that snow may just stick and continue to fall as we head towards Friday. Right now, we're looking at a good amount of snow just for Friday, possibly a bit more too as we head into our Saturday morning. Right now, a good chance we see more of a wintry mix of freezing rain Friday night into Saturday morning with snow showers through Saturday. So again, a couple rounds of winter weather expected. I'm also a little concerned about ice, too. We could see that in southwest Portland, also out and over the coast range as that warm tongue kind of hugs right over a cold surface. That provides the recipe for freezing rain. So through Thursday, possibly some icing around Portland, making it tough to drive. And then heading into Friday night, a good amount of freezing rain arrives here across the valley. So that'll be another concern and will be dangerous, too, on the roadways as we see that ice rolling in, possibly over some snowfall or just over some pavement. So snow totals as we move into Thursday evening. Not expecting too much here in Portland. Models really keep the cold air towards the gorge. We are expecting to see significant snow over I-84 and tough travel through Thursday night. Much of that snow staying up north, too, with that colder air in place, a bit more moisture. So maybe 1 to 2 inches out towards Kalama and Battleground. Then we enter into Friday, and I think that's the day we could see that snow really stacking up here, possibly up to 5, maybe 6 inches by the time we hit Friday. And again, more snow possible as we work our way towards Saturday. So gear up for winter weather here. We'll see that continuing into Friday and over the weekend, even into Valentine's Day before we start to warm up a bit. But again, do enjoy the rest of today and prep to see that winter weather arrive heading into tomorrow. That's your weather. We'll be right back.